How to use Binance easy tutorial for beginners. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be taking a look at how you can get started with Binance and how you can trade and invest using the Binance platform. So let's get into it. Now, the first step on any platform is to create your account, and for Binance, you will need to provide identity verification. So, when you go onto Binance.com, you will click on register. But for you to actually be able to trade crypto or buy crypto or use the Binance platform, you will actually have to provide identity verification. So you will have to verify using either a ID card, a driver's license, a passport, anything of that sort, where you can simply identify your identity and then you can begin trading on Binance. Now, what is Binance? Binance is one of the leading crypto marketplaces. It is one of the largest marketplaces out there, and Binance has multiple different features, including buying crypto directly from your bank to trading crypto and creating crypto bots. Now, to get started with some of the basic features of Binance, you can see over here. To get started with Binance, you will go into your account and you will see your wallet. So there are two basic types of crypto. First off, you have your crypto token, and then you have fiat and spot. So fiat and spot basically means USDT or BUSD. These are just simple cryptocurrencies that are backed by a actual currency like US dollars. And what this allows you to do is just to convert that fiat or spot into actual crypto tokens. Now with Binance, you can see if you go into their buy crypto section, there are four basic ways you can buy crypto. You can do a simple cash deposit as well as a credit or debit card, a cash balance, or person-to-person trading. Now, these are some of the basic ways that you can directly buy any crypto token of your choice. Next up, you have their trade features. So from here, you can open up the Binance trading section and begin trading. Now, you can see Binance Convert is their easiest method to convert one crypto token into another. So whatever crypto token that you might have in your wallet, you can exchange it for a different crypto token. Now, this is not the best or not the ideal situation to trade a token because you might not be getting the best price, although it is the best price in terms of direct exchanges. But if you actually sell the crypto token when the price is high and then buy the crypto token using spot, the other one using spot, that might be a better option. But other than that, you also have a limit offer. So you can choose to create a automated section where you can choose when the price of the token that you want to buy drops to a certain level, then you can purchase another token and so on and so forth. So this will allow you to actually make trades even when you are not there or even when you are not present. Now, next up, you have spot trading and margin trading. We will be going into trading in a little more detail later on, but first off, we need to go on to their other features such as Binance Finances. So you have a Binance card that you can use as well to purchase items simply with the credit card or debit card that you have, and it's going to purchase items with your crypto. Then you have crypto loans, Binance Pay, and gift cards as well. Recently, Binance has also introduced NFTs. So you're just going to scroll down and then you're going to accept this, and you can actually purchase NFTs on the Binance platform as well as create and mint your own NFTs using Binance. So they have expanded not only to the crypto world, but also to the NFT world. Now, in terms of staking or earning money with Binance, you can see they have a separate earn section, and within this earn section, you have multiple different types of ways that you can earn with Binance. So first off, you have basic savings like auto invested, protected, high yields as well. Then you have crypto staking. So crypto staking is a popular method for people to hold their cryptocurrency and make money with their crypto. So you have basic locked staking, where you go on ahead and put your tokens, crypto tokens, in a specific numbered lock, and until that lock is unlocked, you cannot take your money out. But once the time period has passed, you also get a interest. And then you also have DeFi staking as well, where you provide finances to the smart contract, where you can choose a flexible lock or a specific locked day. Then you also have Ethereum staking as well as Binance auto invest features where you can auto invest in a certain token. You can choose upwards of 7 days to 3 years to invest in a certain token as well. And this will enable you to simply multiply your crypto earnings or to simply accumulate a diverse portfolio in crypto. Now, going into the actual most important thing of any crypto market, and that is the blockchain. That is the actual exchange. So if you click on the top over here, you can click on the exchange, and this will open up the Binance Exchange. And from here, you can change any token, and this is the place where most profitable trades are going to be happening. Now, you can see on the top right over here, you have the token of your choice. On the top left, you have the token that you have selected, and from the right section, you can search for any token that you want to search for. So let's say I want to do Ethereum with USDT. And once I do that, you can see now the chart for Ethereum has been displayed. And what you can do is you can scroll down over here, and on the left side of your screen, you're going to see the offers which people are looking to buy Ethereum at, and the right side is the offers which people have bought Ethereum at. Now on the bottom, you will have 3 options. You can do a simple spot trade, and you can set spot limits as well. Then you have a cross trade where you can introduce leverage, and then you have a isolated 10x trade. Now to begin trading, you can just simply click on spot over here, and all you have to do is you can set up a simple limit trade. So let's say that you want to buy Ethereum when the price goes to 1360. The amount of Ethereum you want to buy is 2 ETH that you want to buy, and then you're just going to click on buy ETH, and if you scroll down, the order will be put over here, which would be called a open order. Then you have the selling option. It's pretty much the same thing. You can enter when the price of Ethereum reaches this specific number, you want to sell this much ETH. Now you have a market order as well, and this will be put in the market trades over here. And then you also have stop limits. So what this allows you to do is that you can choose how much of your assets you want to put in, and you can also choose a trailing stop or a OCO stop as well. However, these features are really not that beginner friendly, or they are really not that useful for a beginner. Now, next up, you have cross 3x trading, which enables you to go on ahead and borrow and repay your crypto tokens. So you can leverage crypto tokens that you don't own, and you can choose the leverage simply by this little amount over here. So if you 2x this, so let's say I chose 2 Ethereum and I want to borrow 2 Ethereum, then I would actually, if I borrow 2 Ethereum and leverage it 2 times, that means I'm borrowing 2 more ETH, and that means I'm risking around 2,600 USDT. So that is another option that you can do. Now, Binance also has futures trading as well, and you can go on ahead and go into the Binance futures. So you have USDM futures, and you can go on ahead to begin futures trading with Binance as well. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.